Hey guys, what's up, CORE family? It's Stephen Dunn with CORE Therapy and Pilates, and today I just wanted to go over something that I read in a book recently that I think is very appropriate to kind of summarize what Pilates is as well as what Pilates is not. And so I'm going to start off with what Pilates is. Pilates is an exercise method. It is a philosophy. It is strengthening. Pilates is balancing. It is mindful. It's anaerobic. Pilates is articulating and isotonic. And it is a constant in your life, or it should be. Pilates is not a team sport. It is not a trend. It's not a weight management system. It is not competitive. It is not repetitive or fast. It's not aerobic. There is no cardio Pilates. It is isometric. It is not isometric, excuse me. And it is not an occasional affair. It's something that takes commitment. So I wanted to go over that with y'all. I was reading this book called Survival Skills for the Pilates Teachers, and I just thought it was a very interesting thing, because what I see happening in the trends in the Pilates world is that it's becoming more fitness based, it's becoming more cardio based, it's becoming more high energy. I walked out here because we have our class about to start in a minute, and it's funny because the girl that just came in as her first time in class, and my instructor asked her about her Pilates experience, and she said, I do Pilates, but it's more cardio based. Well, that's really not Pilates and with the way that it was originally taught and the way that we teach it. So I just wanted to share that with you today. It was kind of perfect timing to hear that. So that's my message for today. If you have any comments, put them below. If you need to reach out to us, our number is 512-215-4227. The website's www.therapyandpilates.com. All right, guys, y'all take care, and we see you soon at the studio. Bye now.